very much. In fact, today we are over here, and we have got here we have the top lawyers over here, and I would just have the honors to introduce this top lawyer forum. Starting from the left side, we have got Chaudhry Ramzan, the top lawyer, and in fact when he stands on a dais or when he stands in the court of law, I would say no one can beat him. Then we have got Sahibzada Anwar, again the top lawyer of Pakistan, Sahibzada Anwar, top lawyer of Pakistan, and he is very methodical, and he has got in fact a very good grip on the law. And then we have got Mr. Bukhari, the former judge of High Court, again the top lawyer. And then we have got the king of the lawyers, Pir Sayyid Kaleem Khurshid. In fact, he is the one, in fact, he is the king himself, and nobody becomes the king without getting his blessing. Then myself, I'm Akhtar Shah, I'm Advocate Supreme Court of Pakistan, and I really am a humble, in fact, friend of these top lawyers, and I would like to work with them. And then we have got a beautiful, anchor person over there, Zara, and she is holding this TV9 with us. And in fact, today we have asked them to come over here, and they are going to be our official representative in our move. Then we have got Afzal over here, again he is the owner, chief executive of this TV9. Then we have got Tariq Javed over here. Again, he has offered his assistance to, in fact, to work over. And today we have, in fact, this is Justice for All Forum. And in fact, we all have requested Pir Sahib to become the chairman of this. And shortly in the next meeting, he is going to announce his cabinet. Yeah, Pir Sahib, you're now.
Actually, everyone is disturbed by the Indian aggression, and we are proud of our nation that how they have bravely resisted that aggression. Second, the problem is that we are also the victim of the Indian water crisis, and the whole of the nation should be united against this water aggression. India does not believe in fair game. They are exploiters, they are exploiting the situation, and we as a nation should resist this exploitation. And I hope whole of the people, whole of the nation is with me, with us for this aggression, and we will face this aggression at every forum, every stage. We don't allow India to victimize Pakistani nation. Thank you very much for this cooperation.
Yeah, we have, please, just one word. Yeah, go. Sorry, sir. Please go. Yeah.
We all are with Sheikh Kaleem Ahmed Khurshid. We will fight for our country to the top extent. We are Pakistani. We will live for Pakistan. We will die for Pakistan. I fully support Sayyid Kaleem Ahmed Khurshid, and we are all together to fight against Indian terrorism and to ensure the word that we are just one and no one can divide us.
I also endorse views expressed by my friends here together, and inshallah we will work together.
And we also enjoy your support. Yeah, please.
You
are with us.
All out support will be with
yes,
you.
Tariq Javed, all our support. Yeah,
Step by step with you.
yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So I am very pleased to be here in this forum, and very experienced people I have met today. So I'll get many more advantages out of their experience and everything. And as far as the Pakistan is concerned and the Indian problems are concerned, I think we all are together to fight out, and we have already done it, and we will introduce, and we know how to handle these people and where to handle them. So inshallah we will again come.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Stop watching.